The cow. The cow is a gentle and useful animal. It has 4 legs, 2 horns, and a long tail. It gives us milk, which is very healthy and tasty. We make butter, cheese, and yogurt from milk. Cows are found in villages and farms. They eat grass, hay, and grains. People take good care of them because they are very helpful. It comes in many colors like white, black, brown, and spotted. It has big eyes and a soft body. Farmers build a clean shed for cows to live in. Cows like to stay clean and need fresh water to drink. They help farmers by pulling carts and plows in villages. Cow dung is used as manure to make the soil fertile and as fuel in rural homes. A baby cow is called a calf. Calves are very cute and love to play near their mothers. Cows are friendly animals and understand their owners. Some people keep cows as pets because they are gentle and loving. Many people also worship cows, consider them sacred. The cow gives us milk every day, so it is truly a gift of nature. It is a symbol of kindness and generosity. We should protect cows and take care of them properly. Everyone should love and respect this gentle and helpful animal.
Do you have a cow? Tell me in comments.